Okay, so I chose the limit x cubed minus 64 over x minus 4 as x approaches 4. As you can see in the right hand corner of my notes, I made a table. This table starts with 4.01 and then goes all the way to 3.99. At 4, we find that f of x is undefined. But at 4.01, it's 48.1201. 4.001 is 48.012001. At 3.999, it's 47.988001. At 3.99, it's 47.8801. We can see that based on this table alone, we are getting close to x being substituted by 4 into this equation would equal 48. Now, for my next version of this, I'm going to be using the solving the problem, because we can't just plug in 4, as it will be a 0 on the bottom and 0 on top, as you can see at the very bottom of my notes. So we have to simplify, and to simplify this, we have to use the difference of cubes so that we can get an equation where plugging in 4 will not lead to an undefined answer. And thus in these notes, I got, as the limit of x approaches 4, it is x squared plus 4x plus 16. Plugging in 4, we get 48. Now, we can graph this equation as seen here in Desmos, and we're looking for 4. So as the answer gets closer to 4 and undefined, we get at 3.993, it's 47.916. And if we go higher, 4.015, we get 48.18. So it gets close to 48. As we can see here in this point, at 4 is 48, and if we were to turn this off, we'd still get 4 at 48. Now, I've integrated this table to show that at these values, we can zoom in the graph, that as our answer becomes 4, it gradually becomes 48. As we can see the trend, it starts to get close to 48 as we have 4 as our x.